It's 11:43 p.m. You're staring at your phone, finger hovering over a button. Confirm investment. $1,000. Your heart's pounding, your hands are shaking, and you're thinking, what if this is a mistake? But here's what nobody tells you. The moment you press that button, you stop being one type of person and become another. And you can never go back. My name is Jeff, and I spend way too much time thinking about why people who invest $1,000 act completely different than people who don't. If you want to understand the psychology behind money, not just the math, hit subscribe. Because what happens in your brain after your first investment? It's not what you think. Most people think investing your first $1,000 is about the money. You put it in, maybe it grows, maybe you're a little richer, but that's not what's actually happening. See, your brain doesn't have a money folder. It has an identity folder. And right now you're filed under one of two categories. People who talk about investing, or people who actually invest. And your brain treats those two identities like they're different species. The second you invest that first $1,000, something permanently changes. Your brain stops treating future you like a stranger. They stop being this abstract person you'll never meet. They become you, real, present, worth protecting. And here's the wild part. You can't fake this. You can't trick your brain by reading about investing or watching videos about investing or planning to invest someday. Your brain only believes in action. You either did it or you didn't. And it knows the difference. Here's what happens that nobody talks about. Before that first investment, a random $47 purchase feels like nothing. Whatever, it's just $47. After, that same $47 feels wrong. Like you're stealing from someone. Except that someone is future you. People describe it the same way every time. I didn't budget harder. I didn't become more disciplined. I just became a different person. Someone who thinks in years, not days. And this is why people who invest early, even tiny amounts, end up wealthy. Not because they learned some secret, but because they crossed a line that changed who they are. Here's what most people don't realize. That first $1,000, it's not about building wealth. It's about proving to your brain that you're the type of person who builds wealth. Because once your brain believes that, everything changes. You start seeing opportunities you were blind to before. You feel physical discomfort leaving money idle. You make decisions that hurt today but help the person you're becoming. This is why the first $100,000 is the hardest. Because getting there requires becoming someone you're not yet. And that transformation, it starts with $1,000. So if you've been sitting on that first investment waiting for the perfect moment, understand this. You're not waiting for the right time. You're waiting to become the right person. And the only way to become that person is to press that button. Drop a comment. What's stopping you from investing your first $1,000? And if you want more psychology of money content, subscribe. New video every week. See you in the next one.